morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here, the affordable smartwatch smart band looking wearable. What we have here is the Y16 Smartwatch. Okay, so this model is the Y16, available in different color. We have a pink, blue, black, and white color. Okay, so here's the packaging, very shiny packaging, and we have here some information about the wearable: motion tracking, heart rate, distance, calories, blood oxygen, and blood pressure monitoring. So very small here, so it's hard to check on the hardware here. So let's check it on the smartphone. Okay, so let's focus on the details here. So product model Y16. We have here the processor BK3266. It has a Bluetooth functionality, dual mode. Okay, so the display is 0.96 inch. Okay, single touch, or maybe it is touch button key. Let's see. And for the battery here, we have 80 mAh to 200 mAh. The features included are step counter, of course, automatic. Okay, motion tracking here. We also have the health functions such as heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so it's available in different language. We also have a sports functions here. So again, let's check. Okay, let's proceed to unboxing of the Y16 smartwatch. Okay, so let's check the contents here. Okay, we already charged this wearable, so we'll check, so we can check the features here. So we have here the support app. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, it is using the Fit Pro support app. Very popular support app. Okay, it is it is used by affordable wearables, the Fit Pro app. So we have here the QR code if you want to download. So we have here the wearable, and as you can see the contents here. Okay, we have the user manual, the strap, and the device itself. There's no charging cable because the wearable, it is using a direct USB charging. Okay, you see it here. So let's attach the strap here so we can see the overall look of the smartwatch. Okay, so what color do we have here? I think it is very striking blue. Okay, so this is your Y16 smartwatch. It looks like a Y68 with a slimmer version of the Y68 wearable. Okay, much wider than the M6 Smart Band. Okay, remember the Xiaomi Mi Band 6 clone? It is much wider than that. And the body, as you can see here, if you are looking on the side, it looks like the Y68. Let me show you the Y68 body here. Look, it's almost similar in appearance here on the side, but with a much slimmer body. Okay, so here's the display here. Okay, seems like we have a plastic cover here. Okay, I will just leave it there. Okay, for the menus, let's check. Again, the display is 0.96, I think. Okay, let's check the screen display. 0.96 inch. Okay, LCD. So it's not touchscreen, as you can see here. It's not responding, but a touch button key here. Okay, so we have the, let's have a closer look again. Okay, for the menus here we have, okay, let's go back to the main. Okay, so your watch face, We have automatic step counter showing you the distance and the calories. We have the heart rate monitoring, the blood pressure, and the blood oxygen here. What else? We have the sport function, long press to access. I guess we also have 3 sports here. Okay, the running or walking here. We have sit up and skipping rope. So the features here, the sport function, is pretty similar to the Y68 D20 smartwatch. We have the message, long press to read the information. We have the sleep monitoring. We have the music control here. We have weather and more. Let's check. Okay, camera control, anti-lost, reset, turning off. We have the QR code for the support app, that is the Fit Pro app. And we have here the MAC address and the version of the wearable. Okay, so it is the Y68 or the Y16 smartwatch, not the Y68, but it is pretty similar to the Y68 wearable in terms of the operating system. Okay, so beautiful, not beautiful, but it's okay. It's an okay smartwatch. The screen is very small here, very wide display bezel. Okay, let's have a closer look at the design. As you can see here, 2.5D. This is not a glass but rather somewhat like a plastic, I think. Okay, touch button key operation here. Wide bezel, especially on the bottom and the top here. Okay, on the side it's much slimmer. Color display, simple menu. Okay, and it's it for the smartwatch smart band wearable. Okay, let's check on the heart rate here. Does it work? Long press. Okay, it's detecting, as you can see here. Let's see. Okay, so it shows the results already. I don't know if it's accurate, but similar to other wearables, we don't advise you to use it as a diagnosis. The results are not for diagnosis of your health, but rather just a reference. Okay, especially for wearables that is very cheap. Okay, they usually don't have an accurate result. Okay, we're having a hard time wearing. Okay, although it has a flexible strap. Okay, still hard to attach it. Okay, so here it is, your Y16 smartwatch smart band. Okay, it looks like a mini version of your Y68 or the macaron wearable. Okay, if you want a cheap, affordable smartwatch smart band look, go for this one. Okay, but if you want a more uh, comprehensive list of sports function and a much classier, we have here the Z Blaze. Okay, meet your smartwatch. Okay, anyway, so we'll provide you some more information about this Y16 smart band or smartwatch. Okay, especially on the installation of the Fit Pro app. Let's see if it's going to work. Okay, flawlessly when it comes to the pairing of this Y16 smartwatch to the support app Fit Pro. We are also going to check the watch faces for this one. So check out our next video for the Y16 smartwatch. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. This is your Y16 smartwatch. Bye.